How's your day going?
Not too bad.
We're above ground, right? So that's always good.
Long day.
I hear you. Which way are we trying to go? That way? Or?
Not that way. Go back out that way.
All right. Yeah, but we're going towards 1604 though?
Yeah.
All right.
It'll be a left out of the parking lot and then a left at the light.
All right. I got a water for you if you want it.
Oh, no, I'm fine. Thank you.
Yeah. I just got off work a little while ago myself.
Been a hectic day.
Really?
Yeah.
This CVS gets pretty busy, huh?
It does. It's just everybody's trying to get their meds filled before their deductible resets. So
yeah.
Been nonstop all day. Jeez.
Yeah. They just opened that one up over by my house over there. And man, it smells all new. It's all like
the new store smell.
Yeah.
I've heard the pharmacy there isn't that great though. We've had a lot of people like transfer over there and then transfer back.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I mean, I don't think that their pharmacy is like necessarily problematic, but
Maybe just
probably
'cause it's
not
new.
up to par.
Huh. Yeah, I don't really go to the pharmacy, so I haven't had to interact with them too much.
Yeah. We just have people calling like, "What all can I get refilled like now?"
You know what? That's funny you say that because my neighbor, I towed him around because he had surgery and his kid was sick, so he needed to go. Yeah, and they were like out of medicine or something. The thing he needed, they were like, yeah, they're out of that, dude. We need to go to another one. I was like, what? How does a pharmacy run out of medicine?
Yeah.
Wow.
We actually ran out of Tamiflu today.
Oh, really? Dude, I heard the flu is horrible now. Like, it's like...
Even the CVS down in Medical Center, that 24-hour one, right across from University, they ran out of Tamiflu also.
Oh, no way.
The Walmart down there also ran out of Tamiflu.
Holy cow.
So they were sending everybody to us, and then we ran out because they sent everybody to us.
Wow. Yeah, I heard the flu's like super bad this year. I'm gonna call into work sick and be like, hey, everybody.
I feel like they say that every year though.
Right?
I mean,
every year
it's like, oh, the flu's really bad this year. It's like it's really bad all the time.
Yeah. Well, and then I hear too, like, this is what I heard. I don't get the flu shot or anything, but I heard some people get the flu shot and they end up getting sick anyway. It's
That's
like
not. No, the flu shot only covers a few strains anyways. What they think is going to be like the most prevalent that year.
Oh,
but I mean, the flu is a virus; it's ever changing. So
yeah,
you can't.
So it's not like a
be
one
100% protected.
It's not like a win all where you can.
Yeah, and you still. I mean, it takes a couple weeks for it to go into full effect. So if you are exposed to it, and then you get the flu shot, and maybe you don't already have symptoms, it can take a week or two to express symptoms.
Yeah.
So you could get the flu shot and then end up being sick from an earlier exposure, basically.
Oh man, that's kind of crazy how that thing works. Yeah, I heard they inject you with a little bit of the flu like that.
It's dead though.
Oh,
so
really?
White Mustang right here.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Man, they're tearing your road up.
Yep.
At least they made you a nice little ramp right here, huh?
Yeah, but they haven't been out in like 2 weeks.
Really? Jeez.
They like ripped it all up and they're like, hey, bye. I guess they're waiting on saws or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Casey, thanks so much for riding.
Alrighty, thank you.
If you wouldn't mind taking the time to rate me whatever star you feel necessary.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See ya. All right, so as you can see, what's going on during your rides, what's going to help you get your tips, your good ratings, is things like good customer service. I mean, after all, we are in the customer service industry. So the better, you notice I called her by her first name because her pickup name was Kayla. So I called her by that. I made it personable. I offered her water. Tried to make her feel at home as much as possible. So we are in the customer service business. So treat that customer as they're your number one, because they are your number one for that short time, whatever it may be. All right, let's get on to the next one here. Let's see where we're at. Turn on the thing. And here's the thing about making the most money you can. Your time is very valuable. Yes, long trips are great, but I make most of my money by doing short, smaller trips. Some people will disagree with that. But for me, what I do, I'd rather take 10 small trips, quick trips, turnover. Time is money. You got to stay on your hustle. So keep your hustle going. I don't know if you can hear in the background, I don't play any specific type of music. I don't play rap. I don't play rock. It doesn't matter who's in my car, they get easy listening. People that are getting off work here at 5 p.m., 5:30 are tired. They may not want to rock out, but what they are going to be okay with is easy listening. Something smooth, quiet. Yeah. So time is money. Take the time to plan out your trips. This isn't really easy money. This is make a plan, stick to the plan. So right now I'm driving through a neighborhood and I'm going to hit the highway because I know people are trying to get off work. So I'm going to drive through the neighborhood a little bit, see where it takes me.